Hello everyone, today video I'm taking a video. We're just talking about the floor spot, or we can call it the outlets, or we can call it the floor outlets. This device are designed to be installed flush with the floor to providing a convenient access for electrical power data or telecommunication port in the open areas like commercial space or office. In the end of video, we are having a tip like using of it. On this material, we are checking the outlet frame. This is the visible metallic edge that is plus to the floor surface. It protects the lid and covers. So this is very useful for engineering MEPs that we can install our power cable and data cable inside of this box, and its shape is very convenient to the public area.